It's day 6, and this is tough. Nothing funny about it. I'm irritable, and I have a constant headache, so I'm just going to drown my sorrows in eggs and water. But don't worry, I'm sure something funny will happen before you know it.
I realize that you're not cool unless you take a bathroom selfie. So, selfie. Well, I've been griping lately because Matt gets to go on all these fancy trips. And I just get to stay here. So I got invited to go on a bike ride with my brother. And I was like, no thanks, I got some stuff to do here today. And then as soon as I hit send, I was like, what are you doing? You're griping that you never get to do anything, and then you get an offer, and then you turn it down? So then I hurry up and look like I was some multi-personality type person, and I said, okay, I guess I'll go. So now we're going to ride motorcycles. So my pink hair and my shades, I should scare some little kids probably. This should be fun. That reminds me of a funny story. We were getting a tag on a bike one time whenever Matt had his bald head, because he had the bright idea to shave it himself. And this little girl was getting out of the car beside us, and her mom was just, getting stuff out of the front seat. And she wasn't too little. She was probably like 3, 4, something like that. And Matt had this bandana across his head, and he's sitting on the motorcycle, and he just kind of waves, because she's kind of staring. And she just bust out into tears, as if we just tried to take her. So, of course, I started laughing, because I think it's kind of funny. And Matt's like hurrying up, trying to get out of there. Excuse me. I choked on my own saliva. Anyway, it's a funny story. You know what else I like to do that's probably not too adult-like? I like to sit in somewhere like Chili's whenever it's just me and Matt or me and a few adults, no kids at the table. And I like to stick my tongue out at little kids that are looking at us. And then whenever they stick it out back and they get in trouble, I think it's hilarious. And sometimes these parents start to catch on, and I'm just like, probably look like some creeper because I'm looking at their kids, and as soon I'm making faces. And then as soon as parents look, I'm like, I'm an adult. I wasn't just sticking my tongue out at your child. So we're out riding motorcycles, and we get to this big hill. Big hill. Straight down hill on some gravel. So I decided I was going to, instead of getting my feet burned on where the tailpipe comes out, which is coincidentally where my feet go, I told Matt I'd just get off and walk. So now he has to break it all the way down. Yay, cardio! We made it to Robber's Cave. Take a look. Wow. Kevin's house, and he decides that he would like to play pool. Well, neither one of us have a pool table, so he decided that he was going to just go buy one. So now we're currently on our way to Newalla, I think is where it is, to go get a pool table. You know what would help me stay awake?